balls.
Food for all the family. So we will be today. Hi, Tiger, by the way. Today we'll be doing. Today we'll be doing fidget versus non-fidget. When I say non-fidget, I mean like cutlery around the house or maybe food. Let's hope it's food.
Round one.
I really like food. So please subscribe, by the way, and and let's go to the round. Bye.
Ow.
We'll be doing rapid visits to see who goes first to choose the balls. The balls are right here and they won't move because someone made the balls go over here, so now they can't move. So they're just going to move it now. So we're going to pause it in 30 seconds. So now the balls are in the right position. But we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who picks what they want to do first. Ready? Oh, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win.
And behind the scenes is definitely not my dad.
But I'm going to choose two. 2, 1, go.
Wait,
I got
wins? Do you win if it's real or
you win if it's the fidget. So Danny won. So I got spearmint, 50 mints. Yeah.
it's called smint?
It's mint. I have no mint. Are these spearmint?
Okay, round 2.
Round 2, spearmint. So it's Danny's turn to choose what to keep.
Okay, we swap.
Sit down, I can't even see your eyes. I've got a spearmint in my mouth.
Oh, my beautiful eyes. Do you
Great.
think I have lovely eyes?
Danny's got the good option because Danny's won't move out the way. Danny's got the...
Okay, yeah, 3, 2, 1, I win. Yes, I have squishy balls.
I got crispy M&M's.
And she got my favourite.
I'm going to go spit out this and eat them.
You can stop the video, Dad.
Next round! The thumbnail will
Gone wrong, he came to my house at 3 a.m.
The thumbnail will be like you in the hospital. I'm in content.
While I'm in the hospital. Look at Daddy!
Look at him! Oh my goodness, he looks so bad. Can you turn around?
He started recording.
I missed.
We have the M&M's here because they're too nice.
Is it my turn?
By the way, I don't like fidgets.
I choose to. 1, 2. Have this one.
There you go.
3, 2, 1, go. I got a tomato!
And I won.
Pardon? See, this thing, I'm getting all the food. I've got spearmint, I've got M&M's, and I've got tomato. Danny's got a dimple, my favourite dimple. He's got a squishy monkey and a squishy ball.
This is the only fidget I like.
Squishy ball. Next round. I don't like tomatoes. Right, so it's Danny's turn to choose if he wants to swap or keep. So, would you like to switch or would you like to keep?
Keep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't get the food!
I got an egg.
I don't like egg, that's good.
I don't either.
I got a mini pineapple poppet and Danny got an egg. That was a very quick round. But also, so far Danny's win because he has 3 fidgets and I only have 1. Next round, let's spin, Danny. Whee! I'm stuck. There we go. So, it is my turn to choose someone to switch or keep.
Stop turning.
My ball, but we do need to move the balls back. So, I'm
Very good, very nice.
I think the fidgets in this one, so I'm gonna keep.
Okay, right.
3, 2, 1, go. No. Oh, I got a ring. That doesn't fit my finger. Yay. Yeah. So again, that's a very quick round. But we will be doing the next round. How many rounds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more rounds. We should probably cut down to 3 though. But anyway, next round.
Wait, no. I don't know why I did that. Okay, bye.
Bye. Don't smash heads. But it's Danny's turn to choose who wants to swap.
I win.
I didn't even do the countdown, but I got a bracelet. Snatches. Are you alright? Oh no.
And that's what happens to cheaters.
Alright,
I love that. Look, can I have the monkey?
no.
Give me my monkey. Next round.
Yay, for time. Ow.
Aaron, you need this back. Right, next round.
Oh, you need that back.
Next round.
And that. Okay, next round. This is the last round. Isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, so is it my turn?
Mhm.
Yeah, because last time you went.
Yep.
So I'm choosing that. I know what's under here because I can see over there what's gone. It is something. But I want this one. But I think we should just swap seats. Because that one doesn't want to move.
Ow, my leg.
Swapping seats. Right, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I got squishy balls. No, I got
2 squishy balls, and I'll gouge your eyes out with the spoon.
got some squishy balls. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. We will see you next time. And please subscribe and like the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye, tigers!